Hey guys, today I'm taking you on a tour to Zgallerie. Some of you guys mentioned in the comments you never been here, and this is my first time being here. But you know what? Someone broke a chandelier, so you're going to hear a lot of sweeping of glass if I don't do a voiceover. Take a look at these beautiful paintings. I'm a glam girl. I love sparkle. And you know what? I got to get my inspiration from somewhere. But my guilty pleasure is to at least buy one item from here at least once a year. This painting right here is the infamous painting a lot of YouTubers that decorate have recreated this glam picture. Take a look at this wall of mirrors. They are gorgeous on video, but they are even more dazzling in person, guys. So if this is your first time visiting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. And if you're returning, thank you. You know I appreciate you and support you back. I hope you enjoy the tour and let me know what you think. And let's get into this tour and shop with me. All right, guys, if you made it this far, I wanted to make sure I gave you a special thank you. I did not videotape the chandelier. By the time I was finished doing this shoot for the store, they had pretty much gotten up all the glass. I was just trying to get in and get out before all the people had gotten there. I made sure I got there first one in the store, and had to wait a half an hour because they didn't open the door until they had at least cleared the pathway for us to walk around. But today I am giving a special shout out at the end, so stay tuned to get the channel information for the Real K Mo. Her channel is all about lifestyle vlogs, natural hair and locks, and unboxing. So I enjoy her content and she's a great supporter. So guys, check her out. I'll leave her information in the description box. And guys, thanks again for hanging in there with me. I love shopping this store, although I really only shop it online, but it was a whole different experience coming in here and shopping in person. And plus, I got a chance to do it with no interruptions. Everybody was pretty occupied, all the employees, so no one was hassling me about, do you need help? I like shopping like that. I'm one of those people, I just like to shop alone. Let me know in the comments if you're like me. I mean, I don't like a lot of people asking me a lot of questions because most of the time I'm trying to figure out what can go in my house here and what can go in my house there. So, yeah, I like quiet. I like calming music. So, all right, this is the end of this video. And we're going to get into our shout out so you can check out my girl, the Real K Mo. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.